delegation from the Meghalaya Truck Drivers and Suppliers Association had met Transport Minister DASAKHIAT LAMARE and Minister in charge of Commerce and Industries Government of Meghalaya SNIAWBHALANG DHAR to request for an immediate intervention on the exorbitant fine imposed by the Transport Department on permit for trucks and other commercial vehicles, and also on issues relating to land customs station in East Jaintia Hills. On the heavy fine imposed since November 2021 on a delay in the renewal of All India permit for trucks, the General Secretary of the Meghalaya Truck Drivers and Suppliers Association, Justin Pawar, informed that the Minister in charge of Transport Department, DASAKHIAT LAMARE, has assured the delegation that he would take up the matter with the Chief Minister, as this is not merely a state issue, but the matter has to also be discussed with concerned authorities of the central government. On the setting up of the land customs station, the delegation had submitted a memorandum to the Commerce and Industries Minister, SNIAWBHALANG DHAR, to demand for the set-up of the station at Umkyang in East Jaintia Hills. At the same time, the president of the association, Balen Thubru, informed about the 200 challans that were issued to 5 suppliers but have not been circulated amongst others till date. Thubru therefore urged upon the government to recall all the 200 challans if those allotted with the same are not able to distribute them accordingly.
Kemudian buat kini kesalahan, kemudian nanti nampak sok bes boyok kini kesalahan kalau ayat kecil naik kamera. Nanti keba hangi patang ni po jantia buat lalai sau pun ayat minta ke korban kalau ada declare bakin saya nak buat ke realty kalau ada su tip nak kaya kata aku melak ban saya ni semlak ban penyai. Don't way bola saya si arspak telih dak kesalahan. Dari hadu mentah kelempat punya kita, kelempat stand dia, part start juga dengan transportation. Negeri yang jangi negeri yang Meghalaya Truck Owner and Supplier, bikin tu ke sarkar, lada kini ki try salan kimla balai sewa konsel no, IT no sawai. Malum malangai asli garit jangka salan, udah yang ulang arspa arajar transport stone. Salan galong sejar stone gitu, sejar stone. Galong sawajar, bat mau bat kesalan, stone. Kata karkom di action jang gasi ayal, ya kita lagi try salan.